Hey guys, it's me again. Yeah, long time no see or hear, right? Ignore that. That's just the phone in the living room. Anyway, I'm gonna point. I'm gonna get a couple things straight. One, no, I'm not just blowing off steam. People who like supercars. I like supercars too. They're fast. They're sleek. But yet again, they have their downsides. And two, no, this is also not one of those videos where I'm trying to roast people who drive them or like them. Again, yeah, I like supercars too. But today, I'm gonna set some other things straight. This this is this video is called, if you haven't read the subtitle before watching, Reasons Why Pickup Trucks Are Better Than Supercars and Sports Cars. Number 1. Even though pickup trucks won't really be, some pickup trucks at least, these won't be as fast as supercars or sleek looking, but darn it, they're more. He can be used for so many more things. Alright, say you and a friend are in a Ferrari and you want to go camping. And you got the tent, you got all the stuff you need, but how are you going to put it in there? There's only one place to put stuff, and that's in the trunk. Ferraris, that's the hood. There's nowhere near enough room for a tent and food. Will a supercar carry those things? Nope. This will, though. Yeah. So number 1 is pickup trucks can carry more things than supercars. Number 2. Even though a supercar, guys, if you do want a supercar, do it. Just do it. I'm not stopping you from buying a fast car, but pickup trucks can be used for that too. Pickup trucks can fill up that spot too. Like, say, you got something that looks like this. It's an old truck. It's really rusted out. But yet again, put your imagination and your creativity to the test. There are such things as sleeper trucks, you know. There's a reason. Search it up. Sleeper trucks, drag racers, drag racing trucks, you name it. They'll be there. Pickup trucks can do that. They can hold V8s. They can hold even bigger engines than V8s. They can go fast. They can go off-roading. And that brings us to reason number 3. If you say you wanted to go off-road, but you only had a Dodge Viper. Now, you have 2 choices. 1, you could just give up the entire off-roading trend and just stick to the street races and drag races and all that modern bull crap. Or 2, you just go full redneck and put a lift kit on a Dodge Viper. But let's be real. No one would ever do that to a Viper. So that's why if you want to go off-roading, just use, you guessed it, a truck. With trucks, they're easy. Lift kits are much more easier to apply. And are more comfortable. And plus, and even better, you could put a lift kit on any old truck you wanted. I mean, seriously, who would put a lift kit on a Dodge Viper or a Ferrari? No one! So that's why. So that's number 3, I believe. And number 4, the final reason, or next, second to the final reason. You don't see any emergency vehicles. You don't see Ferraris or Lamborghinis as emergency vehicles, do you? Like, have you ever seen a Ferrari fire truck? No, you have not. You know why? Because Ferraris are just not made for the task. So, if you're a fireman and let's say you have, I don't know, a Skyline. That's cool and all. You got a streetcar and everything, and you got a whole bunch of street cred. But let's be real. Well, fire trucks pretty much all trucks are better. Trucks get better mileage. Trucks are great family cars. Actually, that's the final reason. Trucks are great family cars. Yeah, try fitting your whole family in there. Not gonna work. How about in here? No. Or how about in here? Or how about in here? Yep. That extended cab, boy. That's how you pick up on people. Hey, Caroline, you gotta go pick up your kids. It's from the football game. Alright. Bye. So yeah. Haters, beware. Supercar drivers who watch this video, beware. Or just random people who stumble across this video, beware. Don't be triggered. Feel educated that you saw this. Cheerio.